welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have seen about cin keyword, right? So cin is used to take the input from the user. So in this video, we will see one practical demo. So let's start with the code. What we need to do, we need to store the data about student. So let's say we want to store roll numbers, then the percentage and the grade of the student. So let's declare the variables first. So we will be requiring integer data type to store the roll number. Saying here int roll number. Then I will need a string data type to store the name of a student. So I will say here string name. We need to say here small s, right? That is a data type. And C++ is a case sensitive language, right? So it will throw us an error or give us an error. After that, I need to store the marks. So let's say percentage. So it is of type double. Say double percentage percentage. And one more thing I need to have here is a grade. So grade is of type char. So I will say here grade. So these are my four variables, and I'm not assigning any values to them. I will take these values from the user at a runtime. So what I need to do, I need to make use of scene and then the extraction operator. And first thing I will take from the user is name. So I will say scene name, then I will say a scene roll number, and I will say here cin percentage, and last thing I will take from user is grade. So these are the four things I need to take from the user. Now let's save this code and run now. So see here the terminal is waiting for the input from the user now. So the first thing that we need to enter is the name. Okay, so I am entering here a name as John, then I am hitting enter. Then it's waiting to input for the roll number. So I will say roll number is 12. Then it's waiting for percentage. Let's say 76.9 is the percentage. And then it's waiting for a grade. Let's say grade is B. So all these are my four input. So there is no error in this code, right? So we are able to provide the output or provide the values as per the code. Every time you can provide here a message to the user that what he needs to input. So I'm going to say a cout. I'm going to say a cout, and then I'm providing here a message for enter name. So we will say here enter name, and then we will say here endl, and then the semicolon. So I will copy this statement. So what will happen now? First there will be a message called enter name, and then we will provide the value for name. Again there will be a message. Let's say enter roll number, and then we will provide here a roll number. After that we will say enter percentage, and then we will provide here a percentage, and lastly we will say enter grade. And now if I try to run this code, see we are getting here a message called enter name. So I'm providing here a name as John, then the roll number, let's say 12, then the percentage 78.9, and let's say grade is B. All these values I have entered, so there is no error now. And if I want to print it, so again I can print it with the help of a cout. So I can say a cout, then the insertion operator, and then I will say a name is equal to, and then I will print the value for the name variable, because the name is being stored inside this name variable, right? So I am saying here name. After that I will have some space, and then I will say what I need to print here. Let's say roll number is equal to, or let's say roll number is equal to, and then I will print here the value for roll number variable. So this is my roll number. Again I will provide here some space, or again directly here also we can write the message percentage is equal to, and then we will say a percentage value. Again I will say an insertion operator, some space, and finally grade is equal to this, and the value for grade. In this way you can print all the values into a single line. Let me run this code again. Try to run it again, and again we will say enter name. Let's say John, roll number 25, percentage 89.9, and let's say grade is A. And see, we are able to print the message now. Name is John, roll number is 25, percentage is 89.8, and grade is A. So in this way, you can take the input from the user.